while you're traveling, what is your biggest issues? Especially, I'm doing my traveling solo. So when I'm traveling solo, my biggest issue is the hotel fees. So when I want to pay the hotel's fees, it's same amount of money I have to spend, like the double if you could most of the places, especially here in Canada and most of the European countries and Asia too. So I'm gonna try the temperatures around minus. Here in Canada it's winter. I know it's more complicated when we're doing this kind of camping during winter time.
I mean, it seems like spring, but we're going to get more snow, pretty sure. So these will come in handy. Well, anyway, you can use them indoors. You could go cross.
It's my first time trying, so I bought it from Amazon for around Canadian dollars 70, and I'm going to open box. And this is the first time I'm trying in my car. My car model is 2018 Elantra, so it's kind of average sedan car. So we'll see how this gonna fit. It looks like the other way around I have to put, so I'll change the sides. Maybe if it is going with this way, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the right way. So we have to put those light gray color one into bottom, and the other part is car mattress. This is a little bit hard to open. After a little bit tried, I open it. Okay, let's see what's gonna fit here. Looks perfect. Electric air pump is ready now. I have to pump air into mattress. We'll see how it works. It's easy, accessible enough connection from my front to this place, so I'm happy about it. Let's try first, kind of like testing how it works with the main one, but I think we have to do the bottom one first. But I just want to check the air pump is working properly. Yeah, it's working. Another good thing about this air mattress, it's like you can remove the parts, but I'm not 100% sure the other air mattress do, so check it before you buy. So you can remove this bottom part. You can use the mattress only for any other place like camping or any suitable location to use this one. It's good advantage. I think bottom part is now perfectly filled, so we'll place the bottom part correctly. Careful if there's any gravel or like some kind of things that hurt your air mattress, so it's better do some cleaning before you put the air mattress. bottom placed, and it's time for the main compartment, main mattress. Let's put the air. It's a bit hard to pump when it's like getting full because there's no much space in my car, but it can be pumped on the side. Now it looks perfect. It's time to take out this part. As I said, like, it's easy to remove. Be patient, take your time and see how it works and take it out. Some vehicles I think this part is needed, but for my vehicle I don't think I need access for my water bottle and the other stuff from the front when I sleep in, so I will take it out from this mattress. It's time to see how it fits. I'm 5 feet 5 tall, so I will take little space, so I will take my front seat little up, and let's see how it fits. It's not perfect bed, but can manageable at the night, I think. So hang on, we'll see how it's going during night. So this is the way I'm sleeping right now. Thanks Kasun for the video uh, taken at this moment. So we'll see the next video how I slept here at minus winter night. Thanks for watching. Just wake up due to, I don't know whether it's because of the cold or the outside temperature is like minus 30.